Are you a student? Do you know you can make up to $1,000 in a month? And I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do that. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Yes, you know, on this channel, when it comes to how to make money online and how to get free money, yes, I'm your plug. In case you have not seen my other videos, my previous videos, make sure that you go check them out and start to make money today. You can't be on this channel and be broke. It's not possible. You can't be broke on this channel. So if this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching it all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. And if you are seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the first time, Momo, I know I'm hyper. So let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I drop 3 to 4 videos every week on this channel. So make sure that you make it a date and join this family in case you have not joined the family. You don't sleep on it though. Don't dull yourself or don't gawk yourself, oh yes, because on this channel I spill all the tea. I share all the information. We're not gatekeepers on this channel. We share all the information with you guys. So come with me, guys. Let's go. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make money as a student. If this strikes like something you're interested in, please keep on watching all the way till the end. Even if you're not a student, be a blessing to somebody today. Share this video with your friends. Share this video with all the students that you know. Let's be a blessing to somebody. Of course, I'm going to be sharing lots of many other opportunities on my channel. And if you have not checked my previous videos, like I said, check them out and also apply for opportunities for yourself. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, have you heard of Rest Campus Ambassador? Hey, do you know that you can register to join the community Rest Campus Ambassadors? Yes. So welcome to Rest, which is a Nigerian startup making e-commerce work for everyone. Now, the Campus Ambassadors program is designed for undergraduates in tertiary institutions in Nigeria, and the goal is to help you earn, learn, and grow. Yes, it's to help you make money, learn, and also grow. So all they expect you to do as an ambassador is to help spread the goodness of what they do at Rest to your friends and course mates on campus, as well as improve your public speaking and interrelationship skills with this amazing opportunity. All you need to do is to fill the application form for an opportunity to be one of their campus ambassadors. And of course, they're looking forward to having you. So I'm going to be sharing with you step by step how to apply as a Rest campus ambassador. So first thing you need to do is to enter your email address. Just so you can access the form. It is to get access to the form. So they will request for your full name, your first and your last name. You write the answer. You also write the name of your institution. If it is University of Lagos or University of Ibadan, put it there, or others. Yes. If it is others, they are definitely still working on getting to all the universities in Nigeria. So write the name of your school in case the name of your school is not listed in the options above. Then you also be asked what year of study are you. If you're in first year or second year or third year or fourth year or fifth or sixth year, put it there. They'll also request for your WhatsApp number. You put it there, and they'll also ask you what are your top 3 expectations about being a Rest campus ambassador. So please put it there. They'll also ask you why should you be selected as a Rest campus ambassador. Maximum words is 250. So put the answer there. They'll also ask you how did you hear about the Rest campus ambassador program. You let them know as well. Tell them it's from a YouTube channel and write my name, of course, so they also request for your Instagram account, yes, okay, as well as your website if you have, and then you submit the form. So guys, I told you I'm going to be sharing with you how to apply for these amazing opportunities step by step. Oh yeah, apply as a Rest campus ambassador today. What are you waiting for? I've got you guys covered. On this channel, I share with you all things money, how to make money online, how to make money from the comfort of your home, how to get free money. On my channel, on this same channel, I shared with you guys websites where rich people actually give out money for free. Yes, if you're looking for money, maybe to augment your expenses or your medical bills, or pay off your tuition, or you need maybe you have a medical emergency and there's no way in the world you can make up for that figure while working 9 to 5 or while combining it with your studies. So yes, check out my other videos and also begin to apply for these amazing opportunities. There are websites where rich people can actually give you money, and there are also ways for you that you can make $60 in 1 minute. Check out my videos. Yes, I'm telling you, I also have so many lazy and weird ways to actually make money online. Check out my videos and make sure that you begin to watch those videos till the end. Watch these videos till the end. Of course, Guys, you know that every second counts on this channel. We are not sleeping here, we're not dulling, we're not hoarding information, we're not gatekeepers here. We are here to share with you guys valuable information that will help you become a better version of yourself. And of course, you know your girl Mariah has got you covered. If you need me to do a research tailored to your specification, maybe you need grants for farmers, or you need an opportunity depending on your area of expertise or whatever you do, your profession, please let me know in the comments. Note, there are no stupid questions on my channel. Feel free to ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. I'll be more than happy. So guys, make sure that you do that right away. Also do well to share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about this amazing. Do you want to be the only campus ambassador? Be a blessing to somebody today. Share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I also want to say a big thank you to my Patreon members on this channel. Thank you so much, guys. I am yet to actually announce my Patreon membership, but you guys have taken it to the next level. You guys have already joined my membership, and I think I have 39 Patreon members right now at the time of filming this video. So I want to say a big thank you to you guys, and to those of you that are going to join my Patreon membership today, I want to say a big thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you. And of course, if anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. And just so you know, grants are actually free money that you do not have to pay back. So I also share lots and lots of grants on my channel, so make sure that you check out those videos. When I mention grants, of course, it's free money that you're not paying back, so check out those grants videos. I have lots of grants. So whether you're a student, or you have a business, or a non-profit organization, or you're a woman, yes, I have grants for ladies. Sorry, I'm always looking out for ladies. I won't say me. I'm always constantly looking out for grants for ladies, for women, for teenagers, for girls, for students, all things money. Just go ahead and check out my video. On this channel I already mentioned that money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. I said so. Mariah has always got you covered. I'm always looking for grants, money, ways to make money day and night, and I'm also testing out these websites to be sure that they are authentic before I bring it to your doorstep. And of course, I have to do my due diligence before I don't just see any information and I jump to create a content around. No, I do my due diligence, I do my research, and I also implore you guys to also dig deeper, do your own final researches before you make your any decision regarding these amazing opportunities. And I also shared with you guys how to make money talking to being a psychic to animals. You can be talking to dogs, it can be virtual. And you don't have to talk to them physically. You can be communicating telepathically. Yes. If you have not seen that video, I think I'm going to put it here. I'm going to link it here. Go and check out that video and see how you can also make money talking. People make as much as $60 per minute telling owners of pets what their pets are saying or what their pets are thinking. And guess what? You can also make money sharing what you think the pets have said. You can communicate with pets, dead or alive. Yes, the owners of these pets want to know what they are thinking after they are dead. So if it's something that you're interested in, go and check it out, and also do well to check to share these videos with your friends. Of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. I can't wait to share the amazing opportunities that I have for you guys. Like, I have lots and lots of ways that you can make money this year, so don't sleep on it. So peace out, guys. I will see you in my next video. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. I want bow. I want that. All right, guys, take care. I love you. Bye for now.